Mayong aga! Meron akong rice dito na leftover last night. And salmon na leftover ng mga bata last night. Always na lang na nag-ano ako kung anong gagawin sa mga leftover, especially the rice. So, what I'm thinking is, I'm gonna make salmon onigiri or Japanese rice ball. Rice wine vinegar. Lagyan lang natin ng rice wine vinegar. Kunti lang. Yan. I have sesame oil. And I have this one. Anong tawag dito? Rice seasoning or porikaki. Norikomi porikaki. So, lagyan ko lang ng about that much only. And then, naghugas na ko yan ng kamay. Kumot-kumot din. Ay, nahulog pa. I-mix-mix. So, okay na to. Put it aside. Ito naman, lagyan din natin ng, maghugas muna ako ng kamay. Lagyan lang natin ng mayo. Japanese mayo gamit ko dito. Pero kung wala naman kayo, pwede naman yung regular mayo lang. I-mix-mix lang. Mekos-mekos. Lagyan din natin siya ng a little bit of this. Mayo with sriracha. Tikman natin ba? Sprinkle nga natin ng ganito. So next, set aside. Oh, it's gonna be cold, anak. So wear sweater. Something like sweater.
Do I wear long pants?
Yes. So first, you get some rice. I get some rice. Kunti lang. Just enough na ma-cover yung bottom. After that, you get a little of this. Maganda ito pambaon ng mga bata. Butang sa bento box. Kung wala kayong fish na salmon, pwede rin yun na yung imitation crab. Mas masarap yun. Gusto yun ng mga anak ko. Mas gusto yun ng mga anak ko. And then we add another layer of rice on top. Just like that. Just enough to cover the salmon na lilagay natin. And the last part is we have to squeeze like that. Okay? Make it tight. Voila! Okay? I'm excited. And then, you can just pop it out. Mayroon siyang sa bottom. See? You can just pop it out. And it will pop out. I'm just gonna keep doing this one hanggang matapos ang tikman natin mamaya kung masarap. So, ganyan kadami na rice. Ganyan karami na salmon. Cover it ng ganyan karami na rice din. Squeeze lang, as in, kailangan tight. So, ganyan na siya. And then, let's pop it out. Ayan. Hala, nagpurma siyang bulaklak. Matthew, I have food for you! So, some people, nirarap nila ng sushi sheets.
All around. I like it all around.
Like that. Usually all around, but it's hard. So, like that is fine. Good. So, pakainin ko si Matthew. So, now I'm gonna try one. I want this one.
Good now, good. Ah!
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, keep eating. What are you gonna say to mommy?
Salamat, Nanay.
Easy breakfast, huh?
Well, this is more like brunch.
That's your brunch? Yeah. Look like.
Eat it with the seaweed.
Mm.
It's good. I don't think Kuya had any leftovers.
Mm. Mm. Ang sarap, guys. As in. Mm. Okay to pang picnic.
Do you think Kuya will like it?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I'm gonna eat.
Mm. Sarap. Parang gusto ko pa kumain ng isa. Kaso lang early morning. Hindi sana ako kakain ng rice. Parang sarap pang kumain ng another one. Ha? Mamayang tanghali na lang, eh. Kana, meet gid ah!